How to fix Microsoft Store error code 0xC002001B on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of error message appears, something unexpected happened. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is install Windows latest update. Sometime outdated Windows OS may be cause of such problem. So go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, or if you found any updates available, download it and rather install it in your system. Sometimes any recently installed updates may be a cause of this error. So go to update history and go to uninstall updates, and recently updates, if any found, uninstall it and check whether Microsoft Store error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press bin plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type wsreact.exe to clear Microsoft Store caches on Windows 11 and Windows 10. It will clear Microsoft Store caches. You should also delete downloaded files and folders from File Explorer. Go to File Explorer of your system. Here go to this PC, C drive. Go to Windows. C drive, Windows. Here look for software distribution folder. Open it and go to download. Select it, press Ctrl plus A to select all its files and folders and choose delete. And clear all software distribution folder under download. After that, restart your system and check whether Microsoft Store error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch run command box and here type services.msc to open services windows, and here look for Microsoft Store install service. Right click on it and choose start if you found it stop, otherwise restart Microsoft Store install services. After that, apply double click on it and the startup type set as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. Corrupted file system may be a cause of Microsoft Store error code. So system, go type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute first DISM tool. These three tools execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. So scan health, check health, and restore health. Followed by enter key on each times. Thereafter, SFC scan now. SFC/scan now and press enter. It will look for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly.